We're here looking at a shingle that actually has what's called delamination. The two layers of the shingle, an architectural or what they call a laminated shingle, two layers that are basically glued together. When they're nailed on the roof, the nails are supposed to go through both layers. Well, a lot of shingles aren't designed where the nail area, which is, you can see right here, these nails don't overlap underneath. So if they would do what's called high nailing, the nails are supposed to hit right in this, it's about the width of my finger right here. So you can see this nail right here is what's called high nailed. It's way up here, but also the nails are blown through the shingle. They're not securing the shingle. And then what happens after our Texas heat, it heats up the glue under here, and you can see these are like basically the adhesive that secures two layers together. And you see that just broke right off too. But there's just two lines here, so that the layer underneath that already slid out. A better shingle will have a wider nail area, so the part overlapping underneath will be bigger. They can nail it like it is here, and it'll still hit the shingle below it. But then also, instead of just having two of these here, there'll be three, and there'll be two more up here. So even if the nails miss going through, or they blew through the shingle like that, the two layers will not, even with the heat and everything, won't slide out. And then also the quality of the adhesive that's used here on better shingles like what we use, 𝗱𝗲𝗶𝗺𝗁 is our primary shingle that we use. And one of the reasons is because we don't see this. It just doesn't happen with that shingle. Where we see this all the time in these Texas homes, especially on the steeper slopes where gravity just takes over and wind and then slide out.